Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Volkswagen Tiguan. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is on. Next, navigate to your phone's settings and enable Bluetooth, ensuring it is discoverable. On your Tiguan's infotainment display, tap the phone button, then choose the option to search for new device to begin the pairing process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. Once your phone appears on the Tiguan screen, select it. A pairing code will display on both devices. Confirm these numbers match to proceed. You can then choose your desired connection method, whether it's standard Bluetooth for calls and audio, or Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for a more integrated experience. Remember to grant any requested permissions on your phone to ensure all features work correctly. Experiencing connection issues? A simple restart of both your phone and the Tiguan's infotainment system often resolves minor glitches. If problems persist, try deleting any old or unused pairings from both your phone's Bluetooth list and the Tiguan's device manager. Also, ensure your phone's operating system is up to date, as software updates can improve compatibility and performance. These steps can help maintain a stable connection. With your phone successfully connected, you can now enjoy seamless access to navigation, your favorite music, and hands-free calls directly through your Tiguan's display. Take advantage of voice commands for a safer, more convenient driving experience, keeping your focus on the road. This integration makes every journey more enjoyable and efficient. And for a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.